If you love smoothies and protein shakes but hate dealing with big, messy blenders, this little device might be exactly what you need. This is the Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender, a cordless, personal-size blender that's designed for quick, easy blending anywhere you go. What makes this one special is how simple and practical it is. It's completely cordless, rechargeable with USB-C, and powerful enough to handle your daily smoothies and shakes without being bulky or complicated. It comes with an 18-ounce blending vessel, which is a perfect size for personal use. Just add your fruits, ice, milk, or protein powder. Press the button, and in seconds you've got a fresh drink ready. One thing I really like is the leak-proof lid with the built-in Sip Spout. That means you can blend and drink from the same cup without making a mess. It's perfect for the gym, office, travel, or even just around the house. The blades are strong enough for frozen fruits and ice, and the blending is surprisingly smooth for a portable device. You don't get those annoying chunky bits like with cheaper blenders. Charging is also super convenient thanks to the USB-C port. You can use a power bank, laptop, or phone charger, and one full charge easily lasts for multiple blends. Another big plus is cleanup. The parts are dishwasher-safe, so you don't have to spend time scrubbing after every use. And of course, this denim blue color looks really clean and stylish. Overall, this blender is ideal for busy people, fitness lovers, students, and anyone who wants quick, healthy drinks without the hassle of a full-size blender. If you want to check the latest price and available offers for the Ninja Blast Portable Blender, I've placed the Amazon link in the description below. If this review helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.